Hi, my name is Chamin, and my my art teacher is Miss Dollar, and this one is my control line assignment, and I explain it. I can draw line well, but I just look at carefully and I just draw, and I just like cool colors, and I want to do cool colors to background. I draw four of them, but my choice was clarinet and trumpet. Actually, I didn't have time when I draw clarinet, but I do my best. And my I my best thing is clarinet because it is most detailed, and just I like it. And I want trumpet go by upside down. I think it looks better, and finish.